Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel and good morning and good afternoon to everyone who's watching the video. It's me, Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can create yourself a Deezer account. So for those people who do not know Deezer is a platform where you guys can listen to music and buy albums of your favorite artist as well. Basically, it's like a music streaming platform similar to Spotify and Apple Music. Alright, so just keep that in mind. So let me tell you guys how you guys can create an account for it. But before I show you that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. Let's jump right into the video. First step, you want to go to your search engine and search for create Deezer account. After you search for it, you want to go on where it says register, create a Deezer account. The first option, you want to click on it. It's going to take you to the sign up page of Deezer. Now once you're over here, basically you want to enter your email and your username for your account and password for your account. After that, you want to confirm your age and your identity. After doing that, you want to, click on sign up. And once you do that, basically a Deezer account will be created if all the, information you filled over here is correct. And if you guys want to create a Deezer account by linking your Deezer account to Facebook or Google, then you want to choose one of these options over here, Facebook or Google. After that, it's going to ask you for a Facebook's password or your Google's, password. Provide them that, and basically your, Deezer account will be created using your Facebook or Google. In another word, it will be linked with your Facebook or Google. So that's basically how you guys can do that as well if you guys do not want to fill up this form. And if you guys already have an account, you want to log in, you want to click on login, and it's going to take you to the login page of Deezer. So that's basically how you guys can create yourself a Deezer account. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, it's me, Kevin, signing out.